Hey guys, welcome to my Rise the Challenge vertical track template. This is a quick demonstration of what this all can do for you. In order to insert a new subject in there, I'm going to go to my insert subjects here and shut my sample subject off. There's a full tutorial included with the download. I'll give you all the ins and outs of exactly how to do this. I'm going to transform her a little bit larger and place her where I think looks good. Something like that. I can change these colors. For example, if I was going to do the opposite and do some yellow in the background, simply select a yellow from the jersey and OK. I can also change the flare color. Let's go with some blues and increase the saturation. Let's change the text. And also change that to blue. Of course, the name down here, you can remove that if you're doing a volume team, or if you want it more individualized, personalized banners, you can include the subject's name and change that text just as easily. This can be as simple and easy as that to insert your subject, change the different colors, and adjust the text to fit your needs. This can print as a variety of different size prints for parents, and it works great for very large banners.